Hey there guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm repairing my nephew's iPad mini 2. So as you can see here, it cracked pretty good, and I decided to also go ahead and replace the battery while I was at it. So this is just going to be a very sped up video of this, and unfortunately the repair didn't go quite as well as I'd hoped, but I still wanted to end up showing it to you guys anyway. So in this first part here, I'm basically taking a heat gun and going around to loosen the adhesive around the edge of the display. And of course, when you have a broken iPad like this, you're going to get shards of glass pretty much everywhere, and it's kind of hard to avoid, but it is probably going to happen anyway, especially when it's cracked like this. So at this point, I'm pretty much done getting the glass off here, so just getting the last portion of it removed, and then I'm able to get the LCD out. Now unfortunately with this iPad mini 2, there is adhesive on the bottom of the LCD, and I think that's where I may have ran into an issue and caused damage. So whenever you're removing the LCD, you need to remove these 4 screws that hold it down, but in addition to that, there are 2 pieces of tape at the bottom that hold it down a little bit further, so you'll want to remove that before you try to pick it up, or else you may have this issue that I came across. So I don't really show that, I kind of skipped that part, but as you can see, I'm getting the plate off here, unscrewing all those screws, and then you're able to get to where the connectors are. You can unscrew the piece that covers those connectors and remove the LCD, battery, and the digitizer. So in addition to replacing the glass, I decided to go ahead and do the battery at the same time while I was in there. So of course I used a pry tool here, probably not the best tool to get a battery out, but I did try to heat the back up so I could loosen the adhesive a little bit, but they are stuck pretty well in there, and unfortunately, unlike iPhones, they don't have the strip puller, so you can, kind of get it easily out. So I just kind of pried my way through, and then eventually got it out. Repair, and as you can see on the side right there, there is a line going down the display, so I think that I damaged the display while I was trying to repair this. And I think where it happened was when I had the tape at the bottom, I did not remove all of it, and when I lifted it up, I may have damaged it that way. Another thing that happened here is, as you can see in the corner, the glass will not adhere all the way, and I think there's something there that just will not seat properly. I did take it off and try to fix it, but it still sits like that. So unfortunately not a great repair. So I haven't done a lot of repairs like this before, so this is actually my first iPad mini that I've repaired. So hopefully if I do this again, maybe I'll do a better job. But the displays on these are kind of expensive, so they're about 40-50 bucks. So at that point, you might as well just use the extra money and get another used one. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video on the iPad mini repair. Not the greatest repair, and you know, you gotta still, I decided to still post this because, you know, even if I fail at it, I still want to show that, you know, not everyone is perfect, not everyone can do a perfect job each time, and sometimes these things happen. So but you know, hopefully next time it won't be this way. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video on the iPad mini repair. If you did like the video, hit that like button, and if you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.